Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a Harley Davidson motorcycle bumper, and my client wants to trace the line exactly according to the shape of this because he does the custom paint jobs. So I have designed these two tools for him, and using these tools in one go, he can draw lines on both sides using pens of his choice, and after that he can paint it. So how it works is very simple. Once you add a pen here and add a pen there, you just slowly roll on these rollers because they are beveled according to this bumper. Or you can even, right now I'm using camera in one hand, but so you can even hold the left side and the right side by your hands and then move this tool all the way on the shape of this bumper, making exact lines according to this shape. So you can trace very straight and precise lines using this tool on both sides of the bumpers. Using these 3D printed screws, you can loosen it, then you can move these pieces left and right and adjust its size according to the piece you're working on. You can also loosen the screws right here and move this piece up and down. You can also loosen this nut right here and move the pen left, right, or up and down. Okay, and at the same time on this side I have given a longer version of this, so you can actually adjust by sliding this up and down or moving left and right. You can adjust your pen accordingly, and then just moving this all the way on the shape of this piece or any piece, you can easily trace the lines. So this is one tool. The older version of this tool is right here, which actually works on the similar basis or similar principle, okay, but it has 3 pens right here, so you can basically add 3 pens and make 3 different lines or much more beautiful lines you can trace using 3 pens, or at the same time 6 pens. All right, so these are the tools for scribing on the motorcycle bumpers, okay, for the custom work. Links are in video description. Go ahead, check them out, download them and use them. So here are the complete 4 tools for my client, as he's doing a lot of custom jobs right here. So thank you very much for watching this video. Do remember, I'm doing custom 3D design and 3D printing. Just give me your idea and I will bring it to life. That's what I do at Cretech Solutions. Ideas made real. If you need anything, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Links are in video description on how to contact me.